What does market value and agreed value mean? When you sign up for car insurance, you're often asked whether you want to insure your car for an agreed value or for market value. This is the monetary figure you'll receive from your insurer should your car be written off. Market value takes into consideration depreciation and wear and tear, making it an accurate representation of the amount you would have received if you'd sold your car. Agreed value is an amount you and the insurer have agreed upon at the start of your policy for the period of insurance. In most cases, the figure may still reduce to account for depreciation at time of renewal. Ensure you review the product disclosure statement for policy inclusions, limitations, and exclusions. Thanks for watching. To get more videos related to loan and insurance, please subscribe to our channel. If you like this video, kindly share this with your friends and family. Don't forget to hit the like button. If you have any queries, please comment in the comment section.